Oh yes, it's so good. Woo! Oh, maybe it doesn't go to be.
This is car 11 and 12 here at Macy's Herald Square. These are gorgeous.
I think these might still be running on Gurney equipment. But there'll be a huge clank when we get to the top if they are.
Doesn't do anything anymore, but they took it out and reinstalled it.
The handle was there not too long ago.
And then General Electric. Got the cab. Yeah, the cab is beautiful. End it here.